So we come back for round two for all meat lovers pizza. Cole absolutely destroyed that pizza. I'm not surprised.
Stop. That's not nice.
Oh, boo-hoo.
I have no idea how good this shotgun is.
I don't care how good the shotgun is. I want to get out of this game. I want to go to bed and hibernate.
Would you be mad if we didn't get the win?
Yes. Start blaming on your ass if we can get killed off this game. I swear.
No.
What are you gonna do about it? What? Kiss me?
No.
Exactly.
Jump on
Exactly.
You're like a trampoline.
I plot armor. You can't hit me.
No, you just have a bulletproof belly.
It can survive 50 cal bullets. It's crazy.
Yeah.
They're actually good. It can survive 50 cal bullets.
I mean, yeah.
That ain't George Bush. That's a bush.
That's just a bush.
This ain't the White House. This is the pit.
This is just a normal White House.
Wait. That's the family. That makes it better. Free bird.
Do you want anything in here?
No, there's nobody over here. Where they at?
Yeah, where are they? That's a good question.
Swear, they turned to my dad, so...
If you want it.
Girl, come and get it. Didn't your dad grounded you today?
No.
Oh.
Sounds want to fight.
Feeling like a little autistic ass kid. We're playing an absolute fucking bot lobby.
They are bad.
They're not real people, I swear.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
Legit, yes, they are.
At least makes it a little bit better, at least. Go and rob the damn place. Can I go back to saying hate speeches?
No.
Oh. Why? Oh, guess who's autistic?
Oh my. I'm actually muting.
I'm the one carrying you.
Thank you. I legit have 7 kills. Thank you guys for watching. Ending this video.
Why?